Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here premium graphic resource in different file format, illustration, mockup, premium badge, logo bundle, print template, vintage typography, vintage elements and alphabets vector, typography bundle, textile bundle, and here vector element. But these files are protected. First you need subscription. For access of my all file, go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime, just one time payment. And okay, first property of this file 15.9 GB and 1837 files. Okay, so you can use in printing process. And next, illustration. Okay, and here 100 abstract illustration, bird, fuller, music, vintage, and lost winter. All files are EPS. I know these are useful for you. Here birds. Okay, and next preview. You can write anything. Music illustration. And here vintage. You can put on wedding card design. Here winter illustration. Okay, Christmas. Next, mockup bag. Total size of this folder 4.69 GB. I know you know how to use in Photoshop. Okay, here all PSD files. Okay, stationery, magazine, paper bag, and 3 paper bag watercolor. Business card, letter, business. Okay, now next, premium badge bundle. Travel, sport, sale badge, organic, food and drinks. Coffee badge set, 1 drink. Okay. Amazing, you see. And these are for Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Here different style. Here coffee. Amazing. Organic. Travel elements. So you can customize in Adobe Illustrator or in Photoshop. Next, logo. Premium logo bundle. For Adobe Illustrator, you see here. Okay. Next, print templates. Voucher, magazine, flat PowerPoint, flat study booklet and invitation, multi-purpose flyer, syncing newsletter and stationery branding mockup. You can put anything in Photoshop. Textile bundle for Adobe Illustrator with font file. Okay, typography, vector alphabets. Amazing. Next, vintage element. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, and you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com and get access for lifetime. Take care. Allah Hafiz.